Hey boo hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lay. For those of you who are new, welcome. This is the Lady Beauty channel where we talk about all things beauty. Okay, right, Callie? For my loyal subscribers, you guys know a lot of times Callie and Dylan are in my background, so my apologies to the newbies. Trust me, you'll get used to them. So I wanted to take another stab at the Blushing Berries palette. As many of you know, these palettes came out, I want to say around Christmas time, maybe sometime in December. I want to say, I'm not 100% sure, but that's when I saw them. This one is the Blushing Berries. There's also a Sassy Siennas, which I will be doing a video on that as well. And it comes with all these berry-like colors. It doesn't have many transition, well, actually, let me take that back. It has transition colors, but not for the type of look that I was going for. So I saw the I Love Sarai, I think that's how you say her name. The pronunciation is really hard for me. I saw her video, and that's what I got inspired to do this look. I figured I seen a lot of people do horoscope inspired eyeshadow looks, so I wanted to take that and kind of use it with my own twist. So instead of doing zodiac signs, I'm using birthstones. So the birthstone for January is like a Cabernet. I'll have the exact name right here, but it's a ruby red. So I just thought that what better way to start this year off with my birthstone, yeah, that's what I'll call it, my birthstone eyeshadow looks, birthstone inspired eyeshadow looks, than to use the Blushing Berries for January. The look is actually quite simple. I think you all, as long as you follow the steps, it'll be really easy for you to achieve. If you do try this out, please make sure to comment down below, tag me in the pictures. So in order to do that, you have to follow me on my social media. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Those are the 3 most active. And if you enjoyed the video, at the end, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. That's if you enjoyed the video, no pressure, although it really helps me out and I would really appreciate it. So Callie's gonna start making noise, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So let's go ahead and get into the next clip. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to hop right into the eyes. I'm priming my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm using my Zoeva brush to buff that in and pretty much blend it in with the concealer that I used for my brows. So this is it right here. Great for color. So now, just to get a transition, I'm using the Makeup Geek Creme Brulee eyeshadow as my transition color, and I'm using my Sephora Fluffy brush. I pretty much use these same brushes in most of my videos, so this is just going to serve as my transition, and I'm doing this on both sides. I don't need to be too precise because I just want to get that color placed into my brow bone. Now we're going in with the Blushing Berries. This is a beautiful palette with all berry toned eyeshadow, so it's perfect for this look. It has that nice red in the middle, which is perfect for the, I believe it's called garnet color. So as I placed it on my eye, I did not set my eyeshadow, so as you can see, it did get a little patchy and skip at the end, but that's okay. You just have to take a little extra time to blend it. I know a lot of people have been like trying this no powder thing just because your colors are more pigmented, but they are also more likely to skip. So I do like to set my eyes, but here I didn't. The 2 colors that I blended together were the Roseberry and Berry Pop. And now I'm going in with just Berry Pop by itself, and I'm going to pat that on my lid space. And I'm not using concealer to cut the crease because I want these colors to blend seamlessly together. Now I'm going in with this berry black, and I'm going to smoke out the outer corners. I'm just taking a pointy pencil brush and I'm going to create a V shape on the outer corner. I don't want to say outer thirds because it's really like legit just the outer corner, and I'm just kind of creating like an outer wing. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush that has a little bit of berry pop on it to blend this black out. And I kind of left it in real time so you can see exactly how I achieve this look. Now this just helps soften the black because black can be extremely intense.
That's good.
So now I'm just adding a little bit of berry pop back into my crease area just to kind of help bring everything together. And now using the Stila Magnificent Metals, I'm taking the shade Kitten Karma and putting it in the inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my lashes. I did my face off camera, which you will see a video for that later on. So now I'm just taking the berry pop color and the black, and I'm smoking my lower lashes with it. And then I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite gel eyeliner, the Marc Jacob black eyeliner in the shade Blacker. Sorry, Callie moved the camera. We're just going to place that into the waterline. Now using my Maybelline mascara, I just did my lower lashes, and then I had to choose a lip color. So I went in with, I believe this shade is Pumpkin by Kylie Cosmetics. For liner, I'm using the NYX Earth Tone. And then I'm using the Kylie lipstick. And that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe. And I don't really have much else to say. I hope you all have a great February. And until next time, beauties, stay blessed.